Hey everyone, welcome to Last Fantasy Gaming. This is the part 3 of September 2025 Patreon for your D&D Warhammer proxy and figure for your 3D printing needs. We also have a Patreon as well. We are having two figures. It'll be El and Joe, loot version of it, and also Evil Life of Dasegia as well. If you're interested, the link will be down for you guys to check them out. The model will be out hopefully by the end of this week. I'm still test printing a lot of the figures. So we have Last Sword figures. This is a good figure for Warhammer proxies for Old World, and some of them are Age of Sigmar, but mostly just Old World right now. We also got some Woodland Elves as well. Let's see what else we have. Donkeys, Peasant with a Donkey, and yeah, there's a lot. I mean, there's a lot just for like $10. You can get pretty much the whole thing. I don't think they really updated much for September version of it. So we got some priests, peasant bowmen, uh, slingers. Looks like we have a Bertoli, undead priest, stuff like that as well. I think we also got vampire stuff as well. And while my wife's groping my boot. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff. I get this month once as well. Dragon Tapper's Lodge. This is mostly for D&D. You might find some Warhammer proxies for it. There we go. Riders of the Hellstorm and Dvorshka Warsmith. I believe we went through a lot of these things, but we got some Warforge, Boat on Wheels. Looks like a mimic.
Don't you already have that boat?
No, no, I don't.
Or something like it?
Uh,
I think I've seen a boat like that.
I do have a mimic version of it, but not really. But this is like, like Soul Forge type of thing. I am getting the ninth Hell book on 3.5 too, so it looks pretty damn cool. So we got Caster Slasher with Lightning, the Plague Proctor. That's actually pretty cool. Roaring Flare Cycles, Hell Gashers, Reaper Demon, Demon Dogs, Scrap Cycle, and we got one with them. I probably use some of these for Necromunda as well. Wasteland Buggies. Some of these can be orcified, or uh, some of these vehicles can be also used Emperor's Children as well. Unicorn Meat Pie Best Beastie. Drummer, Pie Singer, Pie Guitarist. Some of these can be actually converted for Emperor's Children. Goblins. We got the this is a soldier tier version. Britham, the Stormlord, Crawler Tank, Cannon, Crawler Tank, Railgun, Engineer, a lot of dwarves. That should be pretty cool. Yeah, I probably could use this for your what's that thing called? Dwarves. But yeah, yeah, it's weird having my wife next to me. Tank mix. Delicious. You burped on me. Nom nom
Titus.
figure. Yeah. Latest post.
Demon Slayer.
Yeah, I'll be getting these. Is that the guy you like?
I don't know who it is. I need to read my manga.
Yeah, you got that thing for a long time, but yeah. So we get a Demon Slayer pack. You want me to print you this?
I like Zenitsu
Zenitsu?
and Tegan.
Mm. Well, we'll be getting it, so we'll be getting the pack. Let's go to post.
I want Titus.
We got Titus. Basic. We got Snake. This is going to be for
Katara.
October. Yeah. You just want this one, Bill Cipher. I don't know what the hell is Noko is. I think that's probably from Little Nightmare 3. Still haven't watched Demon Hunter.
Not interested.
Bonus Lampmaster from Claire Obscure. Looks kind of cool. That's August. Where's September? I got this. Want me to print you this?
Yeah.
Why don't you be a pregnant version of Marcel? I'll dress up as Lyos. Extra models. Titus is released. I'm probably gonna have to print. Probably get clear resin, honey, for the
Yeah.
sword and the
I like
water.
that.
Yeah.
It's a really nice one.
Expedition, diorama, and you got Chrono Cross,
Dragon Quest?
Not Dragon Quest, Chrono Trigger, Balrog. But yeah, well we'll know majority of it when he fucking does. So this would be it. That's the August. This is gonna be September one right here.
Ganondorf?
Yeah,
Cool.
and oh yeah, you got Alistair, Chibi Alistair.
I want that.
Yeah, and War Greymon.
Ooh, we're Greymon.
No, they're not chibi. They're full figures. You
War
got
Greymon
Death
would be
from Puss in Boots. And you also, I can print you those keys too. If your keyboard, you want to replace it. Next is Ruben figure. Latest post. This is going to be your September one.
I don't know them.
Zero Zone Zenless. This is from Nikki. They're both like mobile games. I tried Zero Zone Zenless. I wasn't really big into it. I just like the girls.
Of course you like the girls.
Titan Forge miniature, Warhammer Proxy, and D&D.
I take the dragon.
That looks more like a black dragon. I already printed you a black dragon.
It's a black dragon downstairs.
No, the copper and the gold ones over there. That's a adult gold. That's a copper. Well then, got some undead stuff. Oh, undead orcs. This is what I need. Undead orcs.
You don't need undead orcs.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No.
A lot of cool stuff. Let's see. Next one is my 3D print. This is like Warhammer. World of Warcraft. So you got the demon ones.
Hey, skeletal dragon. I'll take that.
I already printed it. I also printed the Ghost Dragon. So yeah, got that for that. Hell Creator. Second one, Demon Hunter. This other one as well. Forgot what's animation is this from. And this is released. We get Dante, Snake. This is the new anime Dante that's out. That you still haven't watched yet. I didn't really like it. I'm probably gonna print Vecna though, like I was last month.
Who's that?
Vecna.
That's the new version of them?
Yeah.
That's cool looking.
Yeah.
I think you'll have to print it clear.
You just print it red or purple.
I think it has to be translucent.
Yeah.
The red translucent.
Mm-hmm. Penske miniature. You got looks like different types of predator. It looks like also mixed with Starcraft, like the Dark Templars as well. And we got some Marines.
Xenomorph.
Xenomorph Scorpion.
I'll take the Xenomorph.
War Prophet. You got the
Anything
Cyberpunk one as well. We got
I'm
the.
not into cyberpunk. Just give me Xenomorph.
These are the Demon Hunters, fighters. There's your boy band right here that died. You said.
One of them I heard. I just don't like the style, you know.
Well, everyone likes it.
Yeah, but I'm not everyone.
Yeah. It looks like that is a Dark Templar. Oh man, Zertul. I remember he's dead now. There's a scientist Kish from the synth from Alien Earth.
Mhm.
I got a lot of Alien
Ah,
Earth characters in here.
yeah. Go back, go back, go back. Back. Her, she's from
Alien Earth.
yeah, she's Wendy.
Yeah. Your Marines. Oh, when your your RPG game comes in, I can print all these out. I ain't printing all of them. But I'm painting, I mean.
Oh,
Uh,
Terror's coming.
here's Space Breed from StarCraft. Synthetic Skull Hunter Champion. There's your
Predator.
Predator, yeah.
A lot of Predator fans. I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Well, yeah. Well, I hope you guys do enjoy. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.